To get the best exchange rates with OFX, start by opening a web browser and typing in OFX. This will lead you to the OFX International Money Transfers website, formerly known as UK Forex. On the website, you can find various options such as transfers, recipients, rate alerts, and FAQs. If you haven't logged in, you will need to do so. If you're unsure about creating an account, you can refer to a step-by-step guide. The official OFX website provides exchange rates for popular currency pairs, allowing you to check the best rates before initiating a money transfer. For example, if you want to transfer 10,000 Australian dollars to United States dollars, you can use OFX to find the current exchange rate. After gaining the necessary information, you can log in to OFX to send international transfers, ensuring you have the most up-to-date exchange rate. By following these steps, you can utilize OFX to find the best exchange rates and facilitate your international money transfers.